Imagine you are walking through your garden, and you suddenly spot a snake slithering through the tall grass. Instantly, without you even trying, your heart starts pounding against your ribs. Your breathing speeds up to pull in more oxygen, and your pupils widen to take in more light. But how did your body know to prepare for running before your brain even had time to fully process what you were looking at? That immediate reaction is the work of your endocrine system. It uses chemical messengers called hormones, which travel directly through your bloodstream to deliver specific instructions to your organs. In a crisis, two small organs sitting right on top of your kidneys, called the adrenal glands, dump a massive wave of a hormone called adrenaline directly into this blood highway. Adrenaline flows everywhere, but it only speaks to specific organs. When it hits your heart and muscles, it essentially shouts a command to work harder, immediately shifting them into high gear for survival. In an emergency, your endocrine system acts as a chemical alarm, bypassing conscious thought to instantly prioritize your safety. Beyond sudden spikes of energy, hormones handle the quiet, steady work of daily maintenance, like processing a meal of matoke. Eating carbohydrates causes the sugar levels in your blood to rise significantly. The pancreas acts like a thermostat. Detecting high sugar, it releases insulin, signaling the liver to pack extra sugar away. Later, when blood sugar drops, the pancreas sends a second messenger, telling the liver to release that stored energy. By balancing these two messengers, the pancreas keeps your energy stable throughout the day. The adrenal glands and the pancreas are just parts of a larger network of ductless glands. They don't use tubes, they just pour their messengers straight into the blood. Up inside the brain sits the pituitary gland, the master gland. It releases hormones to coordinate growth and sends signals to control the other glands. Lower down are the reproductive glands, the ovaries in females and the testes in males. These release chemicals that guide the physical changes your body goes through as you grow. In the neck is the butterfly-shaped thyroid gland. Its hormone sets your metabolic rate, how fast your body burns energy. To manufacture its hormone, the thyroid requires a specific mineral, iodine. This is why health officials recommend using iodized salt. If your diet lacks iodine, the thyroid struggles to make its chemical messengers. It works overtime, causing it to swell into a visible condition in the neck known as a goiter. Every single gland has a precise location and target to keep your health running smoothly. So your body actually relies on two major communication networks working side by side, the nervous system and the endocrine system, and they operate very differently. On the left of this comparison table, the nervous system uses electrical signals traveling down nerves. It's fast that stops immediately. On the right, the endocrine system uses chemical signals in the blood. It's slower, but effects are long-lasting. Think of it like this. An electrical nerve signal is what makes you instantly yank your hand away from a hot fire, but chemical endocrine signals take years to guide your bones and muscles through physical growth. The nervous system handles your immediate split-second reactions. The endocrine system manages your long-term physical states and continuous internal maintenance. From dodging a hazard on the road to digesting your dinner, hormones are your body's silent, behind-the-scenes managers. Because they are so important, medical professionals monitor these unseen chemical levels to make sure children develop properly and adults stay healthy. You can help protect these systems yourself. Choosing a balanced diet that includes iodized salt gives your thyroid the exact raw materials it needs to function. And being mindful of how much heavy sugar you eat keeps your pancreas from being constantly overworked, which helps ward off conditions like diabetes. By understanding your endocrine system and giving it the right nutrients, you ensure your internal managers can keep you perfectly balanced, healthy, and ready for whatever comes your way.